Want to permanently remove an app and its data from iCloud? Let's go! Open Settings, then tap your name at the top of the screen. Tap iCloud, then choose Manage Storage to view backups and app data. Under Backups, select your device to see app-by-app backup toggles. Find the app in the list, tap it, then delete its documents and data. Turn off the app's iCloud toggle or delete the app to stop uploads. If you prefer a browser, sign into iCloud.com and open Account Settings to manage storage. If the app stored files in iCloud Drive or Photos, check Recently Deleted and empty it. Remember, this action is permanent. Back up anything you might need first. If changes don't appear immediately, sign out and sign back in, or wait to sync. Recap: Settings, iCloud, Manage Storage, find the app or backup, delete and disable. That's it. Verify your iCloud storage shows the freed space. Thanks for watching.